Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am KEICHI Pinoy. And finally, I decided to continue yung pagbablog. Matagal akong hindi nakapag-vlog, like one for 2018, one for 2019, and I promise I will provide you more content this time because I have this desktop on my house now and mas madali nang mag-edit ng mga videos. So, ang content ko for today is about how to use the running application. We have the RELIVE and the Strava, kung paano sila gamitin. So, we'll use the RELIVE and I will go running for tonight. And I will teach you how to work on the RELIVE application. Okay? See you later. Okay, so i-download lang yung RELIVE na application sa Apple Store. Type mo lang RELIVE, then search. So lilitaw siya, color yellow siya, and then actually meron na ako, so i-open ko na lang. Kung wala ka, of course you have to download it and try to open it. So ganito yung interface ng RELIVE. Makikita mo ito, meron kang feed, meron kang search, meron kang record, meron kang goals, and meron kang profile. So, sa feed ko, makikita mo na yung mga ginawa kong running nung nakaraan. I have this 17 kilometer, I have my friends' progress, also I have previously 13.9 kilometers. So, pati mga friends ko na. It's like a social media also. So, paglabas ko mamaya, bibigyan ko itong record. Okay? Ngayon, paano siya i-set? So, dito sa taas, makikita nyo, meron siya running, nakaset siya into running. Ngayon, kung nagsa-cycling ka or nag-hiking, nag-skiing, boating, kayaking, or e-biking, kung anong activity mo for today, you have to set it. So, I will set it for running today. And then, go to this gear. Make sure that the activity is again running. And keep screen awake is on. Because usually, gaya ko, pag nag-jogging ako, gusto ko may naririnig ako sa akin ako music while jogging para hindi bored. So, ginagawa ko, I'm opening this keep screen awake para hindi matanggal yung process. Habang tumatakbo ako, pwede i-close yung RELIVE and nakikinig ako sa YouTube. So, yung YouTube yung naka-open ko. But still, the keep screen awake is working on. I mean, the RELIVE is working. Okay, then go back. Now, makikita mo, meron kang kilometer, dito yung progress mo, yung 0.00 na to, is ito yung time mo, at itong pangatlo is ito yung speed mo, or how many minutes per kilometer ang average mo. Dito yung makikita yung average. Then I will show you, after ng jogging ko, kung paano naman pag-create ng video. Okay, so right now, I will be working out. So, nandito na ako sa labas to show you how to use the RELIVE and the Strava application na nasa Google App and the Apple Store. So, paalala lang sa mga nasa Qatar, if you are working out, pag nagja-jogging ka, it's not necessary or hindi siya sapilitan na kailangan ka mag-mask. But when you are walking, it's better to bring your mask so that you can wear this while walking. But during running, hindi na kailangan. So, bring it. And bring your IDs and bring your phone para sa eteras. 4 kilometers na ako away from where I started. So it's around 25 minutes. Usually I'm working or running for 30 minutes per 5 kilometers. So keep going. Just a picture because this is a landscape. Okay, so patapos na ako and I'm going to the first point where I started. Now, click the finish. There are two, resume if you want to continue, and then finish if you want to end the video or to create the video. So it will create a video for you. Now, we are going to continue to your activity. So there are two. There is a share route card, it's just a 2D map. And then there is a create relief video. Ito yung may topographic na view na video pag na-create siya. So we are going to click that create a relief or a relive video. So we will put a title. So this time I run like 12 kilometer run and 2 kilometer walk. So I walk like 2 kilometers to home. And then go to the activity, make sure it is running. I mean, the activity you made was running, and then go to the video settings. So there are two types of video settings. There is the place the name and snow landscape. Of course, there are no snow landscape dito sa Qatar. And you can make your video slow, you can make it normal, and you can make it fast. Fast and normal usually are below 1 minute. And then you can go to the music. You can have the choice of music, what music you want. So, I don't like this. I think I'm going to like this as well. I don't like it as well. Okay, this one I like. Okay, I will put this music to the relief video that I will be making. Okay, then click save on the upper right. And then you can see your pictures. I have taken pictures. So, wherever you took picture, kung nasaan ka man, magre-reflect yun doon sa mapa na sinave mo. So that's it, guys. If you want more videos from me and from my channel, I am KEICHI Pinoy page. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.